Hello guys, welcome to Caleb's Kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to make brownies. It's a very simple recipe and it's very easy to follow. Now let's start with the ingredients for the brownies. Half cup butter, 1 cup white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we move on to the frosting. 3 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup confectioner's sugar. Now let's start with the directions for the brownies. We have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Come on, let's do it. So I have to press bake, and then I press 350. And then start. So now my oven is preheating. Now we have to start mixing our ingredients together to make the brownies. So here's my electric mixer, and there are the ingredients. So I'm gonna put the butter in first. Put it there. I'll put the sugar next. Then I'm gonna put the eggs. Then I'm gonna put the vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna put the cocoa powder. And the salt. And keep in mind, these are all the ingredients for the brownies, not the frosting. The frosting ingredients will be done later. Then this is the flour. And then this is the baking powder. All the ingredients are in my electric mixer. I have to put it down and turn it on medium. And now we just have to wait until the ingredients are well mixed, or approximately about 6 minutes. In the meantime, while this was mixing, I have greased an 8-inch pan with wax paper. So now it's been mixing for 6 minutes now. So I'm gonna turn it off, lift it up, get all the dough off. Take it out. And put it in my greased 8-inch pan. I will come back on video when I'm ready to put it in the oven. My oven has been preheating for about 10 minutes now. I'm gonna open it up. This is the part where you have to be very careful. You get the brownie mix and put it in the oven. And close the oven. So now, I'm gonna set a timer for about 25 minutes. On my phone and press start. So now, I'll know when my brownie mix is done. And keep an eye on it because it might burn. Be careful. So my timer will ring and then take it out. So now we're going to start mixing the frosting. So I'm going to put the cocoa powder in. And this time we're not going to be using the automatic mixer. We're just using its bowl. And we'll mix by hand. Then I'll put the honey. Okay, then I'll put the vanilla extract, and finally the butter. And last but not least, the confectioner's sugar. So now, I'll use a wooden spoon and mix very slowly, and this will be the frosting. I'll come back on video when I'm ready to frost the brownies. The whole house smells like brownies now. Can't wait. Okay, whatever. Our frosting is here. It's done. Now, I baked it for 25 minutes. Now we have to take it out. I have my mitts on for safety. So I'm going to press clear off. Now I'm going to open up the oven. And whoa, those are our brownies. So I'm gonna open it, bring it over here, put it down. So now you have to let it cool for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna frost it. So my frosting is done. I took the thing out of the oven, and it's been cooled for 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the icing on the brownies. And I'll come back on video when it's iced. Now it's time for the taste test. I am so excited. It looks so good so far. This looks like a professional made brownie. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. Oh, so good. I'm gonna take some milk now. The milk made it even better. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Please subscribe for more episodes.